Hey everyone, and today I have a really cool cryptocurrency wallet to show you. This is called the OpenDime. And what it is it is a Bitcoin piggy bank essentially. You put your coins on it, they're secured, it generates its own private keys, and when you want to get your coins off, you have to physically break the device to break it open and get your private key. And we'll get more into that later in the video. But they're really cool, and we're gonna check them out now. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take your OpenDime and just plug it into a computer. You see it acts like a normal USB drive. And now we're gonna open up the USB root file real quick, or just the root directory. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, so now we are on the actual page where the OpenDime opens up. You can see it's flashing red. That just means it's in standby mode. So to actually generate your address, there's instructions that are already on here. But to actually generate, oh, this will focus. Okay. To actually generate your keys, you want to drag some files over to the drive. So we'll drag a couple photos that I took on here, like so, and watch what happens. It automatically ejects, says try again. We're just going to cancel this one. But now if we go ahead and open up OpenDime, you can see it looks different now. So now, on here, you can see new files. We have QR code, address, private key, and so if we open private key, you can see it just says sealed. So you can't get the private key off here. Regular address shows its Bitcoin address. And then QR code, you can scan that and send money to this device. And the only way to get your private key off of it is you have to physically break the device, like what I'm showing on screen right now. You have to take a thumbtack or something sharp and actually physically take a resistor off the motherboard. And when this happens, it will realize that that's no longer there, and then it will go ahead and generate your private key, and you can import that into like a wallet like Samurai Wallet or like Exodus or something like that, and spend the funds. So now that we're back here, I'm gonna send some money to this and show how you can view your balance. I'm not actually gonna break this device because I want to save my money on here, and these can be kind of spendy. You get them in a 3-pack for around, I'd say around like 40 bucks or so. You can buy them in Bitcoin, but good use cases of this is you can do offline transactions where I could hand someone this device, they can verify it's not been tampered with because it will physically be changed and flash different colors like red and green rapidly if it's been damaged, so you can actually tell. But let's go ahead and fund this wallet and see how that looks like. Alright, so now I have the wallet open. We can go ahead and click the index.html file right here. And this shows our payment address and all this stuff. We can verify it, verify signatures, and what we're going to do is check balance. And it should show up as nothing. See, nothing yet. So what we can do is we can scan this QR code, and we can go ahead and continue. And I'm just gonna send the max amount, which is like 40 bucks that I have right now on here, just as a test run. I'm gonna hit continue. Continue again. We're gonna go ahead and confirm the transaction. Once this loads, there we go. So now we have this, and I'm gonna go ahead and click accept and send. And now this has sent our Bitcoin to the OpenDime wallet. So now, if we end up refreshing this, it might take a while to confirm. Oh, it already did. All right, now, as you can see, our Bitcoin is now on the OpenDime wallet. So now if we're like, plug this into another computer or so, like, it all works. So it's already stored on there. And I can show you, you can actually verify this on your phone as well, which I will go ahead and show you right now. All right, so now I have Samurai Wallet open. I'm gonna take one of these USB adapters. And now if we take the OpenDime and plug it into our phone, it says open with Samurai. We click OK. And now we can see our balance right here on our phone. It's as simple as that, and now we can use our OpenDime wherever we want. We can receive payments, and we can also sweep keys if we break this transistor off. The transistor is right here where it says Bitcoin. You stick a pin through that, and then you can plug it back in and it will have the private key ready. But yeah, it's really as simple as that. Really seamless device to use, super easy, and I highly recommend it. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.